everybody. I wanted to let you know that this year I again registered us for the Kennedy Center's virtual field trips. So we have two to choose from. One is called Supercello, and one is called Because, a Symphony of Serendipity. So I'm going to put the links in the literacy update here, but all you do is click on the link and you're going to want to cut and paste this. So you're going to want to copy it, the order number, because you're going to need that once you click on the link. You can just project this in your room. You can actually push it out to your kids. As long as they have the order number, they can watch it on their Chromebooks. So if you just need a little something to do, or it's great, we're all in Unit 4, so we're all back in literature, in fiction text. This could be a really fun one to do. So you just drop your order number in there and click submit, and then it will put you in to the whole website here. So you'll just use this to play it. That is the symphony itself. There is some information about each of the symphonies and what you're going to see, what to expect, any of the Common Core standards that they might relate to, things for the kids to look for and listen. It gives them information about the people within the play, and of course Mo Willems. You guys know I love my Mo Willems books. They're so fun. Gerald and Piggy. He's just a great author. It gives you some things to do. Draw a picture of yourself next to your because. For example, my name is blank, blank, because blank. So it just gives you some activities and things to do. So I hope you can use this if you have a sub coming in one day. They're about 35 minutes long, but you could look into some of those additional activities and it could be a little bit more time, or if you just need a fun activity to do or a virtual field trip, this is a great option. So we have Supercello and Because, a Symphony of Serendipity. Hope you enjoy these, you guys. Let me know if you need help loading them.